Welcome to Bauna's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make khaman dokla sandwich. If Gujarati delicacies like khaman, dokla, anwo, khandvi can be made using electric pressure cooker, and my answer is yes, you can, because it's basically steaming function or the baking function that you need to use for making those delicacies. Today I'm going to use this Cuckoo brand electric pressure cooker. During the past holiday I got this Cuckoo brand electric pressure cooker, and I'm just loving this so much because there are some few functionality added to this electric pressure cooker, such as self-cleaning, and also it talks. So let's begin. And today I'm going to use it to make Indian khaman dokla. And here is the pot. It comes with a sturdy pot, and it's quite heavy bottomed. If you would like to know more about this Cuckoo brand electric pressure cooker, you can find the link below under this video description. To prepare the pot for steaming, I'm going to take water. Next, I'm going to set the ring at the bottom. Grease the trays with oil. Take away the extra oil and keep the tray on the side, and I'm going to use the same napkin to grease the other tray. So first I'm going to prepare instant khaman and dokla batter. First I'm going to prepare khaman batter. For that, here I have 1 cup of besan, chickpea flour, 1/4 cup of rava, suji or also known as semolina, 1/2 tablespoon sugar, salt as per your taste. This is a citric acid. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid. You can use lemon or lime juice. Just pinch of hing as a fatida, and just pinch of turmeric, haldi. So mix all dry ingredients really well. Next, wet ingredients. Here I have ginger and green chili paste, 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add water as you go. It takes about 3/4 to 1 cup of water. Alright, so as you can see, now I have the lump-free batter. So far I have added 1/2 cup of water. I'm just going to add a little bit more. So as I said, it usually takes 3/4 cups to 1 cup of water. Alright, so I'm going to keep this on the side. Now to make dokla, I'm using 1 cup of rava, suji or semolina, so opposite to khaman, and 1/4 cup of besan, 1/2 tablespoon sugar, salt to taste. Mix all dry ingredients really well. Next, wet ingredients. Here I have 1/2 cup of yogurt, plain yogurt, 2 tablespoon oil, ginger and green chili as per your taste, and here I have 1/4 cup of water, but I'm going to add little at a time. And using this spoon, mix it really well. So basically the batter of instant khaman and instant dokla. A little bit more water. Now for dokla, I usually keep little bit of thick batter. So the dokla batter is ready as well. So now here I have khaman and dokla batter ready. Now the next thing is to add ENO. And Eno should be added last, right before steaming. I'm going to add about half teaspoon of Eno fruit salt in both of the batter. And then to activate Eno really well, I squeeze just a little bit of a lemon or lime juice. As you can see, it bubbles. Now I'm going to mix it really well. Keep stirring for those air bubbles for spongy khaman and dokla. Alright, so both of the batter mixed well. Next, it's time to pour into the tray. And for a sandwich dokla, you want the both of them almost the same thickness. So perfect. Tray ready to go into the steamer. And for the second tray, I will have to put this to keep the barrier in between. So in goes the dokla tray. Cover the cooker. Now I'm going to use the steam option. This is basically a pressure steaming.
Multi-cook, steam cook.
And I'm going
Set
to
the cooking time and heating level with selection button minus or plus and heat.
So I'm going to set it for 15 minutes and then cook. So it is warning me to lock the lid.
Turn the handle to the lock position.
And press the cook button.
Starting the steam cook.
So it's gonna take care of the rest of the things now. For the tempering seasoning, take oil into the small wok, about 2 tablespoons of oil on a medium to high heat. When you see the little smoke coming out of the oil, add mustard seeds right and let them crack. When they start spluttering, turn off the stove and cover the lid to prevent the mess. Here I have curry leaves. Remove from the stove. Now this cooker automatically releases the pressure, but you can release the pressure manually as well. And ready to open. And look at the dokla. The top tray is dokla. Carefully remove the trays and remove the sticks. As you can see, they are really nice and spongy. Looking at these sticks, I can say that. So remove the common tray as well. And set the trays onto the counter. Let them cool slightly. This common and dokla tray has cooled slightly, and as I can see, the edges have separated on its own, but just to run your knife around the edge. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep one tray on the side right now, and here I have the dokla tray, and take flat tray like this and then invert the whole tray to take out dokla. And here I have dhania chutney, coriander chutney, which I'm going to spread on dokla. Now be sure to drain water when you spread. Spread as much or as little as you want, like so. And then invert common tray on this dokla, spread it with coriander chutney. So carefully stack on top of dokla like so. So now here I have dokla and khaman on top of each other. Sprinkle some coconut on top and spread the seasoning tadka on top. Yummy. You can also garnish with some chili and some red chili as well. The plate already looks so tempting. Alright, so here I have my khaman dokla sandwich tray ready. Now you can cut however you like it. You can cut in the shape of pizza, or you can just cut them square however you like, even a diamond shape. So it's totally up to you. I'm just going to cut them square. I'm going to first make the square cut like this, and look at the inside of it. So I got this square now, and now I'm just going to simply cut into square. Yummy looking Khaman Dokla sandwiches. And let me show you the Khaman Dokla sandwich. Look at it, how spongy it is. And I am ready to dig. Absolutely yummy. You can also serve the sides in a unique way like this. Look at them. It looks gorgeous. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to ring the bell on for notifications so that you can get the notification whenever I post any new recipe videos. And also please do subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And also you can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Thank you for watching and see you soon.